I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the phone so the update can install cleanly. First, free about 200 MB of storage. The update package needs room to unpack. Once done, connect to a stable Wi-Fi network and plug into power so the download won't stop. Now open your device's App Store and navigate to Minecraft's page. This is where you'll trigger the update. You're doing this to ensure integrity and avoid corrupted installs. So take these quick steps before proceeding to download. You tap Update and watch the download percentage. That tells you when it's safe to move to installation. Make sure to accept any permissions the store asks for. Minecraft sometimes needs storage or network permission to finish installing assets. While it downloads and applies, do not force close the App Store or switch Wi-Fi networks because interruptions can corrupt the install. If a secondary content download appears, allow it to finish. This ensures game assets and multiplayer components update. After installation, you open Minecraft and check settings about to confirm the new version. If the game won't launch, restart your device first. A reboot often clears locked files and completes pending installs. If problems persist, clear the app cache or storage from your device settings. This removes corrupted temporary files. As a last resort, uninstall and reinstall Minecraft. Make sure your world backups are saved to the cloud beforehand. These steps fix most update failures and get you back to playing quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.